Good day, everyone. I'm Melanie Santos-Stefano with Vicarious Multimedia. Today, we are here with Camille and Marcus Johnson, the co-founders and owners, husband and wife duo of Lotus Home Improvement and Great Lakes Building Products in Grayslake. We are right off of Route 83 near Fredericks in their beautiful showroom today. So today, we're going to learn about these two companies. We're going to learn about how they're both MBE certified and an upcoming event that everyone needs to come to attend. So let's start with you, Camille.
Okay.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about the beginnings of your businesses? How did you get started?
Absolutely. And first of all, thank you so much, Melanie, for being here today. It's great to have you. So the beginning of our business actually looked nothing like how it looks right now. We started in 2017 with Lotus Home Improvement, and we actually started out of our home office, and our work cargo van was our family minivan. And that was because, frankly, we lacked the startup capital, and that was what we had to do. We really did want to be in the building product space, but at the time, we just honestly lacked that capital and the vendor relationships. So we did what we had to do, and we started just with one cabinet line and a lot of determination. So Lotus Home Improvement was really just more of a remodeling contractor, and I did all of the website work and the marketing, and Marcus did the project management. From there, we just grew. The feeling that I would say that we had in the beginning was what you might feel when you jumped off of a cliff. Just looking down and feeling both terrified and also, a bit of anticipation and excitement. We did have each other, though, so we would be there just holding each other's hand, saying everything is going to be okay when, frankly, you didn't know. And how we got to where we are today, well, the good old-fashioned way. Lots of hard work, dedication, and building up our businesses with good relationships with both homeowners, local contractors, and vendors.
And that is the American dream, ladies and gentlemen, working hard for what you're passionate about, which these two are very much so. So, Marcus, why don't you tell us a little bit about the two companies and how they differentiate and how they're somewhat similar in ways as well?
Certainly. So, first of all, both companies are centered around our products. Our products are everything. So, as my wife mentioned, our very first product was cabinets. And then we expanded into vanities along with the cabinets. Since then, we now offer flooring, all types of flooring you can think of for every application, commercial and residential. Tile, any type of tile you can think of, we offer. Countertops and finishing plumbing fixtures. So those are your faucets, your shower heads, your bathtubs, you name it, we offer it. Now, Lotus Home Improvement, we market those products through Lotus Home Improvement to local contractors and local homeowners. So what differentiates us from most is that a local contractor can send their customer here and they can get dedicated design help where we can walk them through their project, pick out their countertops, pick out their cabinets, their faucets, their pretty mosaic tile. We can do it all right here in one spot. The only option to that is for that contractor to send them to the big box store where they're not getting that dedicated help to pick out their products. So that's the difference. And of course, homeowners can also come here without a contractor. And if they need one, we can point them in the right direction to with one of our dedicated contractors that we work with. So secondly, with Great Lakes Building Products, same products. But these big contractors who we market to, big contractors, they don't need to send customers to a showroom. Big projects, tract homes, skyscrapers, you name it, we offer those products for those projects. And we can ship regionally and we can ship nationally for those projects.
That's great. What diversity they offer, too, in serving the homeowner down to helping to build a skyscraper or supply the products for a skyscraper. So another important part of your businesses is that they are both MBE certified, which I understand is not an easy task to achieve. So, Camille, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you did in order to receive that certification?
Absolutely. And no, Melanie, it's not easy to achieve. So we were plugging away in our business and for a couple of years, and we actually learned about the MBE on a job site. through a contractor that was quite large, and he saw us being a Black and woman-owned product dealer delivering materials at the time and was curious why we didn't have that certification. And we had never heard of it at the time. So we researched it and found out that we needed to have 51% ownership of a minority. So we decided this would be very beneficial. So we decided we could get it. And that is when we found out that it is very difficult to acquire. Only 2% of product dealers have the Minority Business Enterprise certification, and it really does speak to how thoroughly vetted you are. It took us about 1.5 years to get the certification, and we are certified through both the state of Illinois and the city of Chicago.
That's great. So one, the challenging process shows that these two are very determined to achieve the things they would like to. Two, that's a really staggering number, 2%. So congratulations to adding to that percentage to grow diverse businesses. Now, Marcus, tell us a little bit about your position and what you think about being an MBE and how that's beneficial.
Certainly. So our MBE has helped us in 3 different ways. First of all, it helped us expand our business in that we were able to link up with some of the country's largest manufacturers where we could supply their products. Secondly, having an MBE allows us to be involved in some of the biggest projects from a government and a local municipality standpoint that require MBE diversity participation. So that was the second thing. But another one that's not often talked about is people who work with a diverse entity such as Lotus Home Improvement and Great Lakes Building Products. It allows them to open up their customer base because people love to work with diverse companies, and that has also helped the people we work with their business, expanding their business.
So congratulations on doing that. And I know also the thorough vetting should put people's minds at ease because you're not just going to get one of these. There's a lot of steps that have to be gone through to make sure that the company is a vetted one or both companies. So great job on that. Last, we want to talk about an upcoming event. I hear there's an open house happening. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, we are so excited to have a celebration open house because we did just receive our MBE last October. We knew we were on the track to getting the MBE, so over the past about year, we had been building these relationships with the product vendors. And they were, excited to work with us. And it really speaks to the vendors that we have partnered with that they stepped out on faith to work with us, a small business that is diverse. So we are very happy for that. And we want to celebrate. So we are having an open house on Thursday, May 25th from 4 to 7 p.m. And what does that mean for you? Well, if you're a homeowner or a local pro, we want you to celebrate with us. Come out. We are located at 641 Barron Boulevard in Grayslake, and that is on the corner of Route 83 and Fredericks. When you come, you can meet us. We are a small family business. You can get to know us more personally, our background. Our kids are involved in our business, and we even have a showroom pup named Winston. And you can also just see our diverse product lines and touch and feel the samples. We'll have some great food, beer, wine, and additionally, what's really great is our vendor reps will be here. And that says a lot because they are such large companies and they want to come and support us that day.
So thank you, Camille and Marcus, for joining us today so we can hear more about your businesses, your MBE certification, and your upcoming event. If you'd like to learn more about either one of these businesses, you can visit lotushomeimprovement.com or GreatLakesBuildingsProducts.com. And we have a new visitor here. His name is Winston. He's the showroom pup. I do hear he's good with tile, so you should come out and join this family business on Thursday, May 25th, 4 to 7 p.m. You can meet Winston, Camille, Marcus, their daughter Morgan, and the reps and see their beautiful showroom. So we hope to see you there. And thanks again.
Thank you.